Hi everyone, we're here to do some more Heggerty exercises. Let's start with rhyming. I'm going to say 3 words and you are going to repeat only the 2 rhyming words. Here we go. Den, cap, lap. Pig, pet, net. Job, lip, rip. Bet, pot, hot. Map, rub, tub. Hen, rag, tag. Fit, fell, bell. Log, sick, pick. Dug, lock, sock. Dad, duck, luck. All right, let's move on to beginning sounds. I'll say 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and then we'll say the beginning sound together. Here we go. Back, bake. B. Camp, cow. K. Deer, deep. D. Fin, fish. Girl, get. G. Her, home. Keep, kit. K. Love, life. L. Mop, mile. Jelly, jam. J. Good. All right, so now we're going to do blending syllables. So I will give you the 2 parts to the syllable. You repeat them, and then we'll blend it together to make a word. Here we go. Marble, marble. Supper, supper. Pillow, pillow. Destroy, destroy. Purple, purple. Shadow, shadow. Partner, partner. Cider, cider. Finish, finish. Recess, recess. Good. Now we're going to say words and listen for the ending sound. So I'll say the word, you repeat it, we'll say the ending sound together. Here we go. Box. X. Mall. L. Stem. Green. Ship. Pass. Foot. Wave. Squeeze. Z. Huge. J. Great. Now let's segment syllables. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll clap the syllables out. Here we go. Harden, harden. Follow, follow. Gargle, gargle. gargle, punish, punish, circus, circus, turtle, turtle, wiggle, wiggle, simple, simple, handle, handle, quickly, quickly. Awesome. All right, let's move to substituting syllables. So I will say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll substitute the beginning syllable for something else to make a new word. Here we go. The word is rubber. Change rub to numb. Number. The word is number. Change numb to mem. Member. The word is member. Change mem to slum. Slumber. The word is slumber. Change slum to slob. Slobber. The word is slobber. Change slob to rub. Rubber. All right, let's add syllables now. So we'll start with one word and we'll add a second syllable to that one word. These words are all one syllable words, so then we'll have a two syllable word. Here we go. The word is win. Add ter to the end. Winter. The word is tough. Add est to the end. Toughest. The word is rub. Add ber to the end. Rubber. The word is chow. Add der to the end. Chowder. The word is big. Add est to the end. Biggest. Okay, now we're going to delete syllables. I'll say the word and you repeat it, and then we're going to delete the second syllable in the word. The word is butter. Without the the word is but. The word is meanest. Without est, the word is mean. The word is member. Without ber, the word is mem. The word is feeder. Without the word is feed. The word is nicest. Without est, the word is nice. Okay, last one. We're going to count words in spoken sentences. Here we go. I learn at my school. That's 5. My eyes help me to learn. That's 6. Birds sing songs. That's 3. Dogs can make loud noise. That's 5. Is the fence tall? That's 4. I see a big red barn. That's 6. I want to ride a horse. And that's 6 as well. Nice job today.